Westinghouse Lighting Comet. Transitional 52-inch indoor ceiling fan in matte, black finish is ideal for large rooms up to 400 square feet. 5 reversible blades in matte black/marble. Light kit with frosted glass includes 240-watt torpedo, candelabra base bulbs. Frosted glass provides soft illumination, and contrasts beautifully with the matte black housing. High-quality motor delivers powerful air movement, and quiet performance, reverse function for summer-winter operation. If you want to know more about this item, you can follow video description. Hunter Transitional Ceiling Fan. The contemporary Southern Breeze fan comes with LED light covered by clear frosted glass that will keep home, interior and exterior current and inspired. Whisper wind motor delivers ultra-powerful airflow with quiet performance. Change the direction from downdraft mode during the summer to updraft mode during the winter. Luxury Fan Retro Industrial Ceiling Fan. Outdoor ceiling fan for 5 lights Edison LED light bulb, and 5 wood blades with slightly different wood, colors and styles creates enough airflow to be comfortable and pleasantly cooling. Living room ceiling fan use metal motor, and can change the direction of the fan, from updraft mode during the summer to downdraft mode during the winter. Antique Crystal Ceiling Fan. Create designed lamp cover for a sleek appearance. 5 wood blade with different wood colors and styles creates enough airflow. 2 down rod of 5 and 10-inch provided. Modern ceiling fan is a combination of ceiling fan and crystal chandelier. 3-speed sets for choosing. Completely silent. Metal motor have reverse function. Fantastic air circulation. It adds so much to the room without being over the top. Rainier Light Modern Ceiling Fan. 5 high-quality metal blades and 5 frosted glass light kit. 4 light on motor, 2 downward, can be used to lighting, decoration. 3 functions, according to your needs. Configure different colors of light to create a beautiful visual effect for the room. Copper winding motor. The selection of silicon steel, double roll silent bearings, stable operation. Imported bearings. Thank you for watching our videos. If you want to know more, check video description below. To watch more of our videos, subscribe and click bell buttons.